Question number 1. In each example given below, radius of base that is R. Radius of base that is R. Now here of a cylinder and its height that is H. Okay, are given below. Then find the curved surface area and total surface area of a cylinder. Now we have first given here, first example, R is equal to 7 centimeter and H is equal to 10 centimeter. With the help of this radius of base of a cylinder and height of a cylinder, we will find out first the curved surface area of cylinder, then total surface area of cylinder. Did you get this? In this, we take first example and with the help of this given information, we will find out first curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Now, when there is a cylinder, look here, this is cylinder, then this part, this is circular part. Therefore, the circumference of this circular part, that is 2 pi R, and this height we take here. So curved surface area of cylinder is equal to circumference into height, therefore 2 pi R H formula. Did you get this? Now we put values. Therefore curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 as it is, value of pi is 22 upon 7, R 7 and H 10. Therefore we get here 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 10. Here we cancel this 7 because here 7 at numerator and denominator, so cancelled. Therefore after cancellation of 7 from numerator and denominator, then what is left over? 2 into 22 into 10. Therefore the product of this means 2 into 22, that is 44. 2 into 22, 44 into 10, this means we add 0 there. Therefore that is curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 440 centimeter square, because this is area, so centimeter square or square centimeter. Then we will find out next, that is total surface area with the help of R and H. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi R bracket H plus R or R plus H. This is total surface area of cylinder. Therefore we write here total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi R bracket H plus R or R plus H. You write anyway. Now we put values of this pi, R, H, etc. Therefore we get here, look here, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi R bracket H plus R. Now we put values. Therefore total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 as it is, value of pi 22 upon 7 means 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7, value of R bracket value of H 10 plus this sign plus we write here R, value of R is 7. Therefore, we get here total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7, then bracket 10 plus 7. Here numerator 7 and denominator 7 cancel. Therefore, after this, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 into 22, that is 44, into this sign, into we write here 10 plus 7, that is 17. Therefore, the product of these two, that is therefore total surface area of cylinder is equal to, after taking product of 44 into 17, 17 for the 68. 68. So we write here 8 and carry 6. 17 for the 68. 68 plus 6. 74. Therefore, our final answer of total surface area of cylinder is equal to 748 centimeter square. Did you get this? Next example, that is R is equal to 1.4 centimeter and H is equal to 2.1 centimeter. By using these values of radius and height, we find out curved surface area of cylinder as well as total surface area of cylinder. Now here we use formula for curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Now we put values. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2, value of pi, 22 upon 7 means 2 into 22 upon 7. Then we put value of R means into 1.4 into value of H 2.1. Now here this 1.4 and 2.1 are divisible by 7. Okay, then we divide any one by 7. Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. Okay, now here 2.1 means 2 is smaller than 7. So we write here 0 and then point and 7 threes are. After that, we obtain here the curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 means 44 into 1.4 into 0.3, that is 0.42, because here two decimal places 1 and 2. So we write 0.42 centimeter square. After product of these two means we do here product of these two. Product of these two, that is 44 into take 42. Don't write 0.42. First write 42. Now here 44 to the 88. 44 to the 88. Look here carefully. 44 to the 88. Okay, carry 8. Then 44 for the 176. Then add these two. Then we get 184. Okay, now here two decimal places, then therefore we put here decimal place. Therefore we get curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 18.48 centimeter square. Have you got this? Very simple. Then we will find out the value of total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r bracket r plus h or h plus r, right? Anyway, there. Now we put values of pi, then r, h, etc. Therefore, we get here 2, this, then pi, value of pi, 22 upon 7 means 2 into 22 upon 7 into value of r 1.4, then bracket value of h 2.1 plus this sign value of r 1.4. Now here this 1.4 is divisible by 7, therefore 7 to the 14, but here 1.4, 1 is smaller than 7, so we write 0.2. Did you get this? Now here after this 2 into 22 means 44. You can write there directly here 44, no problem at all. Then here 0.2 after division and bracket 3.5. Did you get this? Then 2 into 22 into 0.2 into 3.5, or instead of this you can write directly 44. Okay. Now the product of all these means 44. Look here, 44, 2 into 22, 44, and 35 to the 70. Okay. Now here two decimal places, 1 and 2. Therefore we put here decimal place. Okay. While multiplication, don't write that decimal point. But I have taken here, so we multiply here. Look here. This original 0, then 7 for the 28, carry 2. 7 for the 28 and 30. This 2, 30. Okay. Now here 1 and 2, two decimal places. Therefore, we get final answer, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 30.80 centimeter square. Did you get this? Next example, that is radius is given 2.5 centimeter and height is given 7 centimeter. Therefore, first we will find out curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder. Now look here carefully. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Then we put values. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into value of radius 2.5 into height 7. Now here this numerator 7 and denominator 7 cancelled. So we get here after cancellation of 7, we get here 2 into 22 into 2.5. 2 into 22 into 2.5. Here I have written here. Therefore, here 2 into 22, that is 44 into 2.5. Now product of this, look here, 25 for the 100. So we write here 0 and carry 10. 25 for the 100, 100 and this 10. That is 110. So look here. Therefore, the total answer 110 square centimeter means 1100. Now single decimal place, so we put here decimal point. Okay, so we get 110 square centimeter. That is curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 110 square centimeter. Then next, total surface area. Total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Same examples all. Therefore, we put here values 2 into value of pi 22 upon 7, value of r into 2.5 into bracket value of h 7 and value of r 2.5, means 7 plus 2.5. Now here 7 denominator, but at the numerator here means 2, 22, 2.5, those are not divisible. So we write here, see this, 2 into 22 into 2.5 into addition of these two, 9.5. Then we know that product of 2 into 22 into 2.5, we know that product, that is 110, okay, and into 9.5 means we take here 95, okay, then 95 into 0, 0, 95 ones are 95 carry 9, 95 ones are 95, and this 9 means 104. Now here how many decimal places? Here, because I have written product of this here, then only one decimal point, so we put here decimal point. Therefore our answer is 1045. 0.0 cancel that upon 7, okay. Now we divide here, look here, 1045 upon 7, 7 ones are 7, okay, 7 ones are 7, 10 minus 7, 3, 3, 4, 34, okay, therefore 34, 7 4 are 28, 34 minus 28, 34 minus 28, 6, okay, and this here 5 means 65, no. Now 7 nines are 63, then we get here 2, then that 2 is smaller than 7, so we put here 0 and here decimal point, okay. Now 7 twos are 14, then 6 left, okay, 6 left, then 7 8s are, and then 7 5s are, okay, this way. Now here I have written here, look here 8 and last 5. Now here 5 or bigger than 5, then we add 1 in this place. Therefore, this 8 becomes 9. Therefore, our final answer of total surface area of cylinder is equal to 149.29 square centimeter, or you can also write here instead of that centimeter square.